Alright guys, so I'm back. The turbo are installed. You can see here, this is the front one. Alright, going to the back. Here's the back one right here. Alright, you can see everything is straight up. So I'm gonna go underneath. Right here. All the O's are connected. I just need to install the catalytic converter, and this is the back one. Over here, everything is installed. Okay. Alright. I'm pretty happy with the job finally. Right here. Have a better look. You guys, you just follow the procedure like I showed you on all the videos. Follow the part by part and you'll be straight up. You'll be good. I already told you what was the issue. Was the heat shield. The heat shield, I'll show you what to do. Okay. One last time, I showed you the front one. I drilled some holes right here with the heat shield so I can be able to install them. Showed you the procedure, how I did with the heat shield. So all the holes are done, so everything is ready to be installed. So let me finish with the tubing. I put back the oil cooling. I'm doing also an oil change, and when everything is done, finally we're gonna start this baby. Like and subscribe. If you have any question, contact me. I'll be glad to help you. Peace out and God bless.